ngabhejwa ngumfana engibambe ngithakatha engithola nginqunu ngisegcekeni lomuzi ephuma etshalweni edakiwe ebusuku ngabo-12 wathi ngibiza abantu njengamanje kathi yima ingane yami ngingenza noba yini ingane yami ngenza noba yini uthini koko uthi noba yini ngathi noba yini ingane yami noba yini msukulu wathi ngifuna ingquza-ke nginika ingquza ngiyibhebe manje ngathi hawu ngane yami ngingakunika noba ngu-500 okungcono noba 1,000 wathi angifuni imali wathi umfana ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi ukubhebha umthakathi kunjani ngathi kulungile-ke ngane yami kulungile ithathe ingquza yangibhebha ingane ipipi likhulu itho ligcwale yamnandi ingane
wachama
ngachama yimini ezesengiyibamba uthakatha ngakugcina ngelo langa angithakatha mengibe nqunu umsila
Bethu nginibingelele, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nginibingelele namukele kuyona i-channel It's Chef Lesol TV News. Ngibheka nalapha on Facebook futhi on my page It's Chef Lesol TV News. Ngikhuluma la, I'm watching a video passing by nje ngizibukela scrolling down on Facebook just to check nje on your page only to find out that I'm coming across this video. Okay, first thing, it was Umnyovu posted a screenshot of this mother, and then I was like, okay, because Umnyovu posted a heart, a broken heart, and then he attached his tombe Salumama eceleni, only to find out masengilandelela I'm coming across this video on we all know ukuthi if something is trending uyithola isiphostwe abantu abaningi nangu noma olethu ukhuluma lento ayikhulumayo lana. Do you think it's worth it? And even this podcast, what kind of a podcast is this, allowing an elderly woman to speak as she is speaking? Do you think nje isithunzi salumama ngempela siba kuphi yabo, noma sibekeka kuliphi izinga ukhokhelweni ukuthi-ke aze afike ekuthenini akhulume ngempela lento ayikhulumayo, isiphi isibindi abe naso ukuthi azokhuluma lento. Is it even something that happened le akakhuluma ngayo? But then-ke most of the people nabo bashaya amakhala ngayo indaba yale podcast ukuthi-ke no, angathi-ke i-podcast create iyitori and then-ke ithole abantu abazo-actor and then-ke bese kuba kanjalo. But then as for me, I'm having doubts regarding this podcast. Number two, ma-oledi, no. If ever nazo iy'ngane cha zinamahloni even nala akhona noma nala ezikhona. Anyways guys, please do tell me what you think about izinto ebeyikhulunywa yilo mama, because wow, hayi kunzima. Anyways, don't forget to like this video and also do go to our Facebook page and follow us lapha on Facebook. Do subscribe to this channel as well. Danko.